If you're looking to improve your IT ticketing system and wondering if GoTo Resolve is the right choice, stick around. We're going to dive into exactly how GoTo Resolve improves your IT ticketing workflow and why it might be the right fit for you. But keep in mind, there are alternatives that might serve you better for specific needs, so stay tuned until the end to learn more. GoTo Resolve focuses on simplifying and streamlining your IT ticketing process. One of the first things you'll notice is its user-friendly interface, making it easier for your team to handle IT support requests. The system has a clean dashboard where you can quickly access and manage all active tickets, making it far less confusing compared to other, more cluttered systems. Next thing, automation. GoTo Resolve incorporates automated ticket routing, meaning that tickets are automatically assigned to the right team member based on preset rules. This reduces the likelihood of tickets being overlooked or delayed. The automation features, while helpful, aren't perfect, especially if you have more complex workflows. Other software solutions like Freshservice or ServiceNow can offer more customizable workflows if you're dealing with a variety of IT support needs that require specific handling. The third thing worth mentioning is its remote troubleshooting capabilities. GoTo Resolve allows your IT team to connect remotely to devices for troubleshooting, which speeds up resolution times. This is particularly useful in hybrid or remote work environments. However, this feature isn't as advanced as what some other tools offer. For example, ConnectWise Automate offers more detailed control, making it better for more extensive remote management. Then there's ticket management. GoTo Resolve provides a centralized hub to track the status and progress of each ticket. The interface lets you filter, sort, and prioritize tickets, which makes keeping track of outstanding issues easier. But it's not the most comprehensive solution if you're managing a high volume of tickets. This is where systems like Zendesk excel with a more robust ticket tracking and reporting system. The fifth thing is customer support. GoTo Resolve offers decent support options like live chat, email, and phone support. But if you're comparing it to competitors, the support options in GoTo Resolve might not be as extensive or as responsive as other solutions like Zoho Desk, which offers 24/7 customer service, making it a better choice if uptime is crucial. Now, let's get into the exclusive benefits. If you're interested in GoTo Resolve, we've got a fantastic exclusive offer for you. An extended free trial of the software, so you can test it out for yourself without any risks. However, before you make your decision, I also want to mention some other tools that may be a better fit for your specific needs. We're talking about ServiceNow, Freshservice, and Zendesk, each of which provides a more customizable and comprehensive solution. These alternatives may work better if your team needs more complex workflows or better customer support. But through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers, whether you go with GoTo Resolve or one of the other platforms I just mentioned. Make sure to check out the link in the description for more details and to start your free trial today.